I'm Ekta Jha, HOD of Computer Department. Computer Department was given an initiative to inform parents about cybercrime. Keeping in mind, our parents would not understand the difficult things. We kept the things simple in order to make them understand. 3 sessions was taken in 2 days. First taken on 23rd August, session taken by Monica teacher and Paramita teacher from 11 to 12. On the same day, the second session conducted by myself and Roshan sir from 4 to 5, and third session conducted by Sumita teacher and Sunanda teacher on 24th August from 4 to 5. These are the topics that our parents were made aware about: cyber safety and net banking.
Namaste. Hello everyone. This is Paramita Sen. I'm the computer in charge of Artemis High School, Kudali. So, on 23rd August 2020 at 11 a.m., that was on Sunday, we the teachers from the computer department have conducted a webinar on money transaction and cyber safety. Now, you can't believe such a wonderful session we had, and the parents, I must say, the parents were so excited. They had lots of queries to ask regarding how to do the transaction, how to download the app from, so many questions. And even the parents also wanted that teacher, before we used to do PT meetings sort of, now we also want online PT meetings so that we can interact with the teachers, because in that webinar the parents have clarified so many queries that came in their mind. And believe me, the session was such a wonderful, and I'm thinking that we are going to plan some more webinar along with the parents, because they are so much excited with this type of webinars. So thank you computer department, thank you principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, for allowing us to do this webinar, and I'm very grateful to all of you, all the teachers and the students, and mostly the parents who have supported us to conduct this webinar. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Monica from Standard 11. I take Computer Science in Standard 11, and we have recently done one webinar on cybercrime and safety. How to take precaution, how parents can take precaution using online banking, on social media, and many more things were there. This event took place on 23rd of this month, that is August. And it was very nice communicating with the parents. We came to know what difficulties they are facing. This COVID-19 situation is difficult for everyone. Be it us, the teacher, teaching online, it's new for us. Be it the student who are learning everything on computer system or mobile phone, it's new for them also. And we feel bad for the parents because they are not that well educated. They belong from different background. Most of them are the vendors. So doing everything on phone, or they don't have, many of them don't have computers. So mostly on the mobiles they are doing everything. So they don't know much. So it was our duty to teach them. Because we as a computer department felt that not just teaching the student will help, but we also need to tell the parents how to use certain things online, because they are very innocent on this. They may be using it for first time, and they may create some problem for themselves, like sharing password, sharing OTP, sharing their account numbers. All these things may happen. So for the parents, for benefit of the parents, we decided to teach them, to help them, so that life become a bit easier for them in this kind of situation. So computer department came together, decided that we should take a webinar, especially only for the parents, where we will tell them how to use online, internet, how to use social media, how to do banking online, how to pay the fees. We had a very beautiful webinar. They communicated a lot. they had lots and lots of questions to ask. Many of them were very confused that मैम ये बैंक तो हमारे गांव में है नहीं, तो हम लोग कैसे पेमेंट करेंगे? For them to understand that just sitting on your couch and having a mobile in hand, you don't need to go to the bank. For them it was all difficult, but thank God I felt that they understood everything, because we got feedback in form of their using those things in their daily life. For example, I'll tell you the payment, the fees payment which increased after this webinar. So they were able to do the transaction of money. We also taught them that they should be very careful while using the mobile phone for the social media. Like they should be very careful while using the internet or the social media, because they need not update each and everything on Facebook. And they should follow the security thing also. They should follow the privacy things also. They should secure their photographs. They should put their privacy lock over there so that it cannot be seen by everyone. These are very important things. Even very educated people sometimes don't follow these things, but these are very important things. And then again, how to use WhatsApp, because now what's happening, school groups are being created, class groups are being created. Your number is now very handy to everyone. Everyone is knowing, and they can call you, they can text you. Some unsocial thing can be there, as everyone can understand. So how to block those things, how to avoid those things. These were the few things that we felt that it's very important for everyone to know, and especially to these people who are not that familiar with the online things, internet things or social media. So yes, that was it, and I as a teacher felt very nice when I was able to solve their problem, and they responded in a very good way. They were very happy that we did something like this for them. So we are again thinking, computer department is thinking, some new ideas were coming in our mind, and hope we will able to implement it soon, that at home we cannot go and see that how these students are giving their exam, whether they are cheating or not, because there is high scope of children being very smart and using Google search. So parents can act like an invigilator and see that their children are not doing any kind of malfunction. So yes, we will teach them how to monitor their child, because they may not know. They may say that we are seeing the questions and open some other website and check the answers. So we are going to teach this in next webinar, we will teaching this to our parents. So yes, that was it from the computer department. Thank you very much.
Hello, Namaste. Myself Sunanda. I am the teacher of RMS High School. Recently we came to know that our parents are not well aware of the online payment facility and the cyber crime that are occurring nowadays. So we recently organized a webinar for them so that they will be well aware of this online payment facility and the cyber crime that is happening nowadays. As we all know, the pandemic is going on. Online payments are the most easiest way to pay anything instead of going to the markets or to school or to bank to pay anything. So me and my fellow teacher, Mrs. Sumita Sen, we got the pre-primary ring parents to make them understand the cyber crime thing and the online payment facility. We made them understand the online payment facilities and the cyber security system of WhatsApp and Facebook. I introduced the online payment facility, and my fellow teacher, Mrs. Sumita Sen, she introduced the security system of WhatsApp and Facebook. The online payment contained the payment how to pay through Google Pay, Paytm and Axis Bank. It's not only Axis Bank, any other fellow bank is paid like that only. Mrs. Sumita Sen, she told the parents about the two-finger security of WhatsApp and the photo lock of Facebook. So the webinar was good overall, and we really did enjoy it. It was a great opportunity, and the parents also are implementing it nowadays. Thank you.